Craving something creamy, comforting, and downright delicious? This one-pot creamy tomato beef pasta is rich, hearty, and ready in just one pot. Perfect for those busy weeknights when you still want something special. We are keeping it simple, starting with a bit of cooking oil in a large pot. This is your flavor base. In goes the diced onion, stir them for a minute or so to release their sweetness. Now add in your minced garlic, 6 cloves for bold, beautiful flavor if you're a garlic lover. Let everything cook down for just 1 minute. The aroma here is already a game changer. Next up, our protein, which is minced beef. Add it in and break it down with your spoon as it browns. This step brings the rich, meaty flavor that makes this dish so satisfying. Time for the herbs: oregano, parsley, and basil. Just a teaspoon of each. Stir them in to wake up that sauce. Now add in your tomato paste. Let it cook for a couple of minutes to get rid of that raw tasting flavor. Pureed tomatoes go in next. Use fresh tomatoes if you can. It gives the sauce a beautiful natural tang. A bit of salt, freshly cracked black pepper, then pour in your stock or water, about 6 cups. I always recommend using stock whenever you have it on hand for flavor elevation. Stir it all together and cover. Let it simmer and build up those cozy herby layers of flavor. In goes the pasta. Yes, right into the same pot. No need for separate boiling. That is why we are calling it a one-pot dish. Then the magic touch: the cooking cream. I used homemade cooking cream and I've linked a video below so you can make yours too. You don't really have to break the bank by buying your cooking cream. Give it one final stir, garnish with fresh herbs, and serve it up while it's still saucy and hot. Just look at that, creamy, comforting, and all cooked in one pot. Perfect for the whole family, and even better with your favorite veggies on the side. Oh, and don't worry if it looks a little saucy. It will thicken as it sits. Unfortunately for me, I served it immediately, so for you, allow it to sit a little bit and the sauce will be so creamy and absolutely irresistible. You'll find the full written recipe linked below in the description, so feel free to save it or print it. And if you loved this one, there's so much more waiting for you on this channel. More cozy meals, homemade basics, healthy things, and time-saving kitchen tips. So don't forget to like, comment, and share this video with someone who needs a quick dinner win. And of course, subscribe so you never miss a recipe. Thank you for watching and happy cooking.